students, welcome to the maths classes. Today we are going to discuss a very important property of arithmetic progressions. That is, if a constant, you are given an AP, and if a constant is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided, but divided by a non-zero constant to each term of an AP, then the resulting sequence is also in AP. तो अगर आपके पास जो given sequence है that is an AP, and if you are subtracting a constant from each term, then the resulting sequence is in AP. If you are multiplying by a constant to each term of an AP, then the resulting sequence is an AP. If you are divided each term of an AP by a non-zero constant, then the resulting sequence is an AP. So let us start with an example. The first example is, if A, B, C are in AP, then you have to prove that B plus C, C plus A plus B are also in AP. For that, let A, B, C are in AP. Okay. Now we know that A plus B plus C is a constant. A plus B plus C is a constant. So I am going to subtract A plus B plus C from each term of this AP. So subtracting A plus B plus C from each term. B में से भी आप A plus B plus C subtract कर दो, and C में से भी you are going to subtract A plus B plus C. Then the resulting sequence is an AP. So these three terms are also in AP. Now this will be equals to minus B plus C, minus A plus C, and minus A plus B are in AP. Okay. Now I am going to multiply by minus 1. So minus 1 is a constant. So I am going to multiply by minus 1 to each term of this AP. Then the resulting sequence is B plus C, A plus C, and A minus B. And these three terms are still in AP. And that is what we have to prove. Now let us take another example for this. If A square plus 2BC, B square plus 2AC, C square plus 2AB are in AP, then show that 1 upon B minus C, 1 upon C minus A, 1 upon A minus B are in AP. Now to show that the resulting sequence is in AP, let us consider you are given that A square plus 2BC, B square plus 2AC, C square plus 2AB are in AP. Now we know that AB plus BC plus CA is a constant. Okay. Here we are given that A is not equals to B is not equals to C. So this is a constant. So we can subtract from each term of the AP. So if we subtract A square plus 2BC minus AB plus BC plus CA, B square plus 2AC minus AB plus BC plus CA, and from the third term we are going to subtract AB plus BC plus CA, then these three terms are in AP by the property that if you are subtracting a constant, then the resulting sequence is in AP. So this term will become A square plus BC minus AB minus CA, and this term will become B square plus AC, 2AC minus AC will become A plus AC minus AB minus BC, and this will become C square plus AB minus BC minus CA. So they are in AP. Now we are going to factorize. If we factorize this, we get A minus B, A minus C, and by factorizing this, we will get B minus A, B minus C, and by factorizing this, we will get C minus A, C minus B. So these three terms are in AP. Now, we know that 1 upon A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Or we can consider that A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. This is a constant. And if this is a constant, if we are going to, यहाँ पर ये भी constant था तो इस constant को subtract किया था, ये भी एक constant है, इस constant से अगर आप divide करते हैं अपनी sequence को, then you will get, इसको आप divide करते हैं A minus B, A minus C is divided by A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus A, B minus C is also going to be divided by A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and C minus A, C minus B. This will also be divided by A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Then these three terms are also in AP. And this is left with, you are left with minus 1 upon B minus C, minus 1 upon C minus A, minus 1 upon A minus B are in AP. Now, if we multiply the three terms by minus 1, so we will get 1 upon B minus C, 1 upon C minus A, 1 upon A minus B are in AP. And this is what you are supposed to prove.